As a homeowner, the one thing that is constant and difficult is the hassle of home maintenance and repairs. For example, when was the last time you changed your air filter, and what size do you even need to order? When should you get your rain gutters cleaned so you don't get a roof leak? When was the last time you had your air conditioner or heater serviced to prevent them from breaking? If you're like most people, you simply can't answer those questions, and you may not have even known you needed those things in the first place. As a member of the Art of Homeownership, you'll have your own personal home concierge at no charge to you. Your concierge will come to your home and do a comprehensive 300-point data inspection of the property, taking pictures and measuring all the rooms, noting the brand of your appliances and taking their model numbers. They'll check the air filters, getting the make and model of your AC and heating units, among many other things. Once they have all this information, it will be all stored on your own personal online file, along with information like paint colors, carpet type, contract and vendor contact information, receipts, warranties, and all the data on your home. It becomes kind of like a Carfax for your house. Then every few weeks, the concierge will send you really valuable emails on what to do or look for, like, hey, it's time to change your air filter, and here's the type you need. Or spring is coming, do you need landscaping or gardening help? Our goal is to help you proactively keep and maintain your home on a high level and to help ensure you get great services when you need them. Should you ever need carpet, landscaping, home improvement, or anything, just simply click on a button and the concierge will help find multiple bids and even help schedule the appointments. You don't have to know everything about home maintenance and upkeep, but you should have someone helping you with it, and that's exactly what we're here and excited to do. Click on the link below to learn more about this service, the Art of Homeownership platform, and sign up. And feel free to share this with others on Facebook or invite your friends and family to take advantage of this opportunity.